Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Voice of FX Adventure. We are back here again for our afternoon section. First of all, I would like to apologize to each and everyone out there that pretty much waited for the live stream and I did not, you know, come right in on time. So sorry about that. Okay, so as it stands now, we are still holding on. Okay, I just give out. It's okay. There's no need. We'll leave it open. It's fine. We have a very nice pullback here. What happened? I have a couple of pending orders here. Mm, okay, let's see what gold is doing. Gold is really losing it, and I'm more interested in what Euro USD is doing, and wow, how he didn't pick the other. Well, this is something we can jump on real quick, but we have a touchdown, but mark price didn't take it up, and I'm now in between. Should I jump on it or should I leave it? I would want them to trade down. I have some pending order already in place. Price came down. Okay, they didn't swipe it, but I think this is a fair. Okay, there's only one way to find out. Only one motherfucking way to find out. Okay, we are not almost at the middle. The middle is still low, but at the same time, fear of missing out is coming inside of me. But I think buying from this level is not bad. Let's see. Mm, so I'm still looking for a continuation of that buy we had in the morning, and I think it's already coming into place. But for some reason, my order did not get triggered. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. Mm. I'm looking for a continuation of that buy. I'm looking for a short continuation of that buy. I'm just a bit angry. I won't say I'm angry, but I just had a very interesting missed entry right now, and I'm beginning to wonder how come that is possible. Let me see. All right, I'm going for a buy on Euro USD. But the only thing is the stop loss now is not looking so juicy, so I'm going to step it down to 4 buy, buying at that spot there. On Euro USD, I bought with 0.01 on that buy there, and of course my stop loss is right below that previous swing low there. That's my take on that. Let's see what else we can get here. I like the bounce on British pound also. Maybe I'll have another entry here. Okay, now my stop loss there. This is about 9. I step it down to 4 again. I go for another buy there. So I'll remove those two pending orders. I just took a market order instead of the pending order, and I will be riding the market all the way up if the price continues to trade up. So I'll just delete these two pending orders here. Scary, right? We don't normally do like this where we just come and we just start taking trades. Mm, come to think of it, am I the only one here? Am I the only one here? Well, seems like I'm the only one here. Well, I assume my subscribers should get the notifications. That means this doesn't really work, so I would come here. Okay, yeah, they've already started dropping some ones and twos here. Okay, here, I believe you guys already know, but I'll just still make concern. Okay, so let's see what this afternoon has for us. I rushed in it a little bit. As you guys saw, immediately I came in, I saw what price was doing, so I just rushed in. What's the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario is it would be like that I entered early, but the good thing is what I mainly look at is what I'm risking. Okay, so here I'm risking $4 here on this particular trade. This guy already has his own risk on a -2. So 4 plus 2 will be 5, 6. 6. Let's call it 7. Let's say 8. $8 for everything here on British pound. Also on euro, we have one entry here. And the entry here is on a 5, approximately 5. Okay. So let's see if we get lucky this afternoon. So let's see if we get lucky this afternoon. If we don't, it's fine. Call it a day. We call it a day. But maybe you can still wait for price to still come down. But I just think rather late than never, because I wouldn't want to miss out on that trade. I know it's a little bit of FOMO attached to it, but I can if I take if I take it all the way from there, it decrease. You see now my risk to reward will greatly decrease, but it's still okay. Still okay. Still okay. And another reason why I did enter that trade is a little bit of if you guys remember, where is that my British pound USD? If you guys remember when I told you guys about when price trades down into 100 EMA and trades back up, so I'm seeing similar something here, and that was part of the reason why I decided to enter there. You get, but the ideal thing, the best entry would have been somewhere a bit lower. As you guys can see, the drawing I have here is exactly that place is where I'm projecting my entry. You see market came into it, but I think because of the slippage here, the price did not trigger. So I just as well said, what's the difference? I can take it. So far I would use my volume to reduce my entry to reduce my position size. That way it will allow me to still risk what I would have initially risked if price came a bit lower. Okay, so that's the essence of lot size and using position size. All right, so but with XNS chart, as you can see, I can just drag and drop the I can just drag the stop loss, and it's showing me the price, and I can always use the volume to adjust it. So yeah, that's why I think that's cool. That's cool there. All right, so how you guys doing? I know I just came in and I just jumped in on the chat and just started off on it. I forgot to do the formalities, and hope you guys are doing great. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Hey guys, Ferrami, how you doing? How's your day going? Hope you're having a wonderful one. Generally, I'm looking for a continuation of that buy. Hopefully, we get it. If we don't get it, it's still okay. We'll count our losses and we'll go home. But I'm heavy on this move here. I think I'm considerably heavy on it. Let's see. I think I'm gonna close this. Just yeah. I know for the guys that joined early, you guys know what is there, but I'm not going to tell other people what's there. Oh, what the hell? We'll leave it open. Who cares? All right, I can't keep on watching this. I think largely I have some of my goals for today achieved. I still have a couple of more things to do. Hmm, tomorrow is Wednesday. I have a couple of more things I need to do though. I need to also find something to eat. I need to also find something to eat. Looking for a buy. Looking for a buy. What's the XY doing bad way? Hmm. DXY needs to sell off. We need DXY to now keep up the good work and continue selling like never before. Continue thy sell like never before. And obviously, the bottom there is our liquidity to grab. So, our play will be just continue this. If we can get that, that would be great. Super great. This one was on from yesterday, and we closed the trade very early. That was a very huge move we missed out there. Very huge move we missed out there. Mm-hmm. If I should go for any TP here, it will most likely be that last liquidity there. Okay, maybe somewhere around here. This will give me about 1 to 1. Would have been nice if I bought a little bit lower though, but fair enough. But I'll go for all the way top there. That would be fair. That would be a fair trade to take. If we can buy all the way to that top, that would be very nice. Okay. And on British pound, on the other hand, will still be the last liquidity we see at the top, and that would place us around 6 or so, which is about 1 is to 1.5 or thereabouts. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold did not do so well today. It's quite unfortunate. What's the setup? Oh, okay. I thought you're already on the trade. You're not on this trade. We're going for a buy, brother. We're going for a buy. Buy it is. It's not financial advice though. I believe you know that. But if you're asking me what do I think, it's a buy. I'm buying actually. Or I'm in a buy position. And it's not financial advice. And if you want to take it, all risk on you. All risk will be on you. USD JPY flying. Flying. Leave this guy alone. If you have any trade there, either you break even or run. Or there is a possibility that they will reverse. I don't want to scare anybody. After all, who wants to take my word for it? Me that is always wrong all the time. I'm always wrong, so don't take my word for it. Okay, don't take my word for it. DXY, you better respect yourself and start plunging down. Just respect yourself and plunge it down. What's the stop loss? Which one are you referring to? Is it the British pound or what's the entry on Euro USD? Okay, on Euro USD, I went with a market order, so you can go for a market order too, because you can even see price is currently trading below my entry. I don't recommend you do that. It's not financial advice, but if you want to jump on it, there you have it. You can jump on it. Of course, your stop loss will be the last low you see there. If you want me to give you price, that's the price. This is for British pound. This is a British pound stop loss. Let me get it to you guys. GBP USD stop loss. For the lot size, you can always adjust your lot size until you get the perfect price you want. I believe you are familiar with how that works. Then for the euro, the stop loss for the euro will be somewhere around there. Okay, I copy this. Euro USD. Not financial advice. Don't take my word for it. I always say it though. Nobody should say he gave me a trade and it did not enter. Nobody will drag me off. Okay, so yep. I think we've done what we could do. All we need to do is now fold our arms, and yeah, for the TP, if you really want the TP, you can measure out double of what you are risking and put your TP there. But if you really want to go with what I think, once price starts to close out on the most nearest swing high, I will show you the swing high. Where is that my charts? Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Damn. Guys, no need to adjust that. So look at that high there. Okay. This is the ultimate, I'll call it the ultimate TP for British Pound USD. All right, if we reach there, I think that's the best. The best, if there's anything like best test, that's the best value TP you can get. Anything after that is extras. Okay, in my opinion, though, that's my opinion. Trust me. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. I'm always wrong most of the time. I'm not selling, I'm buying. Ferrami, don't make the mistake. I'm not selling, I'm buying, guys. Please don't sell, I'm buying. Don't sell, I'm buying. That's the stop loss. What I mean by SL is stop loss. Please don't sell. Thank God I saw this chart before it would have been. I hope it's not too late. I hope you guys are hearing me. I don't sell is a buy entry. That price you see there is stop loss. SL is stop loss. Is a buy. Okay. The TP for GBP USD buy. Mind you, I don't know the way. No, taking out this call, taking out this call. Okay, see the ultimate TP for Euro USD. Ooh, I need to go 8. The setup is a buy. I hope I get you. It's a buy. Is that what you mean? What's the setup? Or okay, you mean like the price? Okay, let me draw it out, but let me draw it out for you guys. The only thing I'm saying, this is a fair place to buy from, but if you want to go with the pending order, okay, this is your entry. Entry will be around here. Of course, stop loss will be there. Then, of course, the risk to reward of 1 to 2 is around there. So if you want to go for a pending order, this is most likely what you go for. Stop loss in pips is exactly 38. That of British pound USD is this. Okay, seems like my network is about doing some interesting things. Entry on this one. TP.
asked for her number. She gave me. Well, she was, giving me the green light. Well, all these things happen for my hand. Okay. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
say you want to try me because all that.
Stop loss in pips is 35.1.
Baby. Say you want to try me because tomorrow down. You know what I'm saying? Well, the one day to go when the who I bought the number, well, she was like, yeah, I was waiting for your call, why, like, why you too late to call me? Well, so, once in a while, like,
There you have it on the drawing. Let me
I have to do
see
it and try to prepare myself
how's
to
this guy doing here.
make the year feel cool.
Are we getting some rejection from there? My network is beginning to mess up. Some rejection is coming in here. I don't know if one prefer is still holding that, but I don't know about that.
I say again, baby.
Aussie dollar USD ended up being a disappointment. Euro USD, well, I think is even performing better right now. Thank goodness, thank God I didn't take that. I didn't take that. Euro USD, in my opinion, very nice wake up call. Hopefully they are serious this time around. And now I am tempted to do some scalps on the scalpel level. I'm tempted to do some $1 scalp things on my mind right now. I'll leave it alone. I would want to do it. Oh, it is nice, but I would want to do it on British pound. Let's see what British pound is doing. British pound is now the one Johnson. Assuming British pound is trading above, I would go for a quick scalp. That's what we call it, quick scalp. As a matter of fact, let me even prep the environment for a quick scalp. They'll be here for a very one and two quick scalp. This is exactly that setup I told you guys. A bounce on the 100 EMA line, close above the 21 EMA. Do you see even that red candle that bounced from that 100 EMA line? They did not take it out. So I'll wait for them. Let's see how many minutes is remaining. We have 6 minutes to go, so I would chill. I would wait until that candle completely closes, and I would attack it. So I'm using the smallest lot size on this one, and whatever it will come out, I will just take it on a scalp. Wait, why is this looking different? Why? Okay, yeah. Okay, now it's measuring up, because I was looking at here, and here is showing that it's trading current. How is it trading above? Is this, that's 21 EMA? How is this is not right? Something is fishy somewhere. How was this guy? Okay, this guy is 9. Oh, I foresee. Man, thank goodness I noticed this. That's our 21 EMA there. That's our 21 EMA there. So we need that green candle to close above that blue candle, but you can see it's totally being rejected. Not good. That's not looking good. Would have wanted them to close above and I will attack, but you see that failed completely. totally
She
failed.
was like, yeah, I was waiting for your call, why,
What's DXY doing?
why
DXY
you
should take it
delayed to
easy
call
now.
me, you know,
Why is DXY Omezebuing?
wala zit,
Relax and sell
I
off.
I had to
It's not every
code
time
and
you'll be
try to
buying.
present myself
Relax,
cool,
sell off,
yes,
cool off a
try
bit.
to make the day feel
Maybe
cool,
after you reach this bottom,
I
you
can
can keep
remember the
on
time
buying if
when
you want to
like
buy.
guy get money
You
for
see
my
that thing I
phone
told you
now.
guys?
I can remember say I don't get shit.
Who remember the
I had to
Germany
pay the fine
and
pay.
the
All of a
Russia war
sudden,
I showed you guys in the morning?
they
Do you
triggered
see
me.
that top?
I say again,
Do you see that bottom?
stupid.
That's the middle.
All those
Do you see what has been going on
why
here?
we go fall
The
down.
Germans have been
Oh,
trying to
see,
penetrate. The Russians are just defending the
all those
territory.
you want to try,
But I think eventually
yeah,
the Germans will come in.
with the help of
Or
you
I would
guys,
like to use Russia
I
this time
had some
around.
kid
Russia will
now.
be the
I
bears,
even buy her
but
sneakers
German will
for
be
me.
the
I said,
bulls.
my baby.
The
As I
Russians will
was
enter here,
cool,
get the bounce, sell
I
off.
pulled up on the other side. Baby fell down.
But you get the
Why
point.
you call it daddy duty you were looking for? Well, I presented myself so cool.
Guy, I'm so
Like,
hungry, and why am I
like,
still sitting down here and
well,
I'm not
story
looking
short,
for
yes.
something to eat?
Yeah, got my baby. Was married to a soldier. Soldier go. Okay. I come again,
DXY,
baby.
let my people go, please.
You want to
Let my
try?
people go.
We go fall down. Well, along the line,
If you want us to look at any pair, please feel free to let me know. I can quickly have a look.
the fastest route to,
Have a
to my
look.
place. I remember
And if you're joining, please throw us some likes. Thank you.
Camo. Talk about all the
Thank you as you like the
I
video. That's all
was
we ask
I can't really remember all
from
the story again.
from you guys. I really appreciate you guys while you throw us some likes, because that's the only way the video will get recommendations
I'll be back
and we
now.
can build
I
this
want to attend to some
community
shit right now.
together. While
Baby.
I time myself because I need to work with time now.
We go slow down. I have to go.
BEC, BEC, BEC. BEC is burning.
Baby. I know those days you want to try me. We go fall down. Baby. I
Australian
know
dollar
those days you want to
didn't do
try me.
well.
We go
Euro
fall
USD
down.
ended up being the one championing the market.
That was what I
A
was
typical
thinking.
example of
I saw
the first will be
Vietnam
the last
yesterday.
will be the
Okay.
first.
I saw how she fine, well, I have to
British
work
pound on
on
the
my
other side
myself,
is
she's
also
now missing
turning up.
yesterday. Then I
I
asked
think we
her
might
what's
get
going
that
on.
crossover here. We have a minute
She
remaining
was,
for this
giving me the green light. Always
close.
clapping for my head.
I
Okay,
didn't use a
I'll
cuss
give her
word
a
there.
respect.
I was
Well,
creative around
I
that.
know those you want to try me.
Okay,
We
let's
go
scalp
fall down.
something out of the market. Hopefully, it's a successful one.
I know those
Hopefully,
you
just
want to
hopefully.
try
We
me.
have
We go
less
fall
than
down.
a
Now
minute
I
to
bet
go
no
now. We
choice.
can get the countdown. You can
Well,
see the countdown
the
there,
one day
around
to
there.
go. When the who are body number, well, she
Let's
was like,
scalp it,
yeah,
scalp
I
it,
was waiting for your
scalp it.
call, why, why you delayed to call me? Well, you know, so, why, well, zit, well, I had to code and try to present myself cool, try to make the year feel cool. Well, I can remember when I
Scalping
say I
time,
feel
blessing
like the
time,
guy get
scalping
money for
time.
pocket, I can remember say I no get shit. All I
On
have
God,
was my pretty fine pay.
forgive me my
Well, all the
sins
joke
as
on
we
your
are
liver.
about to scalp. Let's get some
where
money.
you don't they go? I say
Amen.
again, baby. No, no, see, you want to try me, we
Okay,
could go
let's
down.
go.
Baby. I don't know, see, you want to
Okay,
try
I
me,
went
but
for a
we could
buy
come
there.
around.
This is one of my. It's
Go,
gonna be
go.
intense, bro.
Yo, my guy, yo.
So right now,
I
see
had
that
some
entry
chick,
there?
yeah, just the
That's the
roll by
stop
her
loss
feet,
there.
oh. Then I saw
So
my
if the
baby.
market, if price is
That's why,
developing, we'll be
okay,
adjusting the stop loss
I pulled
accordingly.
them on the other side. Baby, go down. That's the hang boy. That's the dude you were talking about. Well, I presented myself so cool with my,
So we need British
well,
pound to keep going
not
up.
make the story
No
short.
need to go down. If they start to go down,
Now my baby, it was my
that
baby
will be
myself cool.
detrimental.
Okay, oh. I come again.
How much are we risking
Baby.
there? We're just risking a dollar
Oh, you
25
want to
cents.
try me? We could go down.
We're risking a dollar
Well,
25 cents there.
along the line, I saw that these fine girls want to lap with daddy. Yeah. Had to take
Risking a dollar
bumping
25
to,
cents
to my place.
just for the hell
I
of it.
remember how bumping to my
Let's
husband.
see what price is going to do with
Speaking
that.
camo, talk about all the, well,
We need to be
so
taking up,
I
up,
can't
up, up,
remember
up,
all the
up, up, up,
story.
up. Keep
If I could
trading
the
up.
boy that is the give back to Well,
Oh
well,
man.
well, I'll be back now. Well, I have to attend to some issues right now, so yeah. Hmm, baby. I don't know, see, you want to try me. We could go down. I don't know, I have to go. Baby. I don't know, see, you want to try me. We could go down. Baby. I don't know, see, you want to try
Don't
me.
take my
We could
scalping
come
stop
down.
loss away, please. British pound, get some
That was what I was thinking
proud. I
about.
be
When I
pride
saw
in you
this
guys, man. Come on.
yesterday,
You
well,
can do better than
I
this.
saw her, she fine with me. Well, I had to walk up and introduce myself. Well, she
British
sounded so
pound can
interested.
do better
Then I
than
asked for
this.
her
I
number.
know.
She gave me
For
the number.
sure.
She was, giving me the green light. Well, all these things happen for my head. Okay, baby. Well, I don't know,
Let me
see,
see Euro
you want to
USD. It will
try
be
me.
very
We could
interesting to
go down,
see. Euro USD is somehow. Well,
baby.
I think it's okay.
I
I
don't
think we
know,
are still
see, you
okay
want to
on the
try me.
British
We
pound
could go
way of
down. You
life.
know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
the one day to go when the who I bought the number, well, she was like, yeah, I was waiting for your call, why, like, why you delayed to call me? Well, you know,
Let's get
so,
this
well,
candle
I went
moving.
over
Come on.
my phone, all over
Don't
my
be a
face,
lazy prize. Come on.
I had to go and try to present myself cool,
You make moves.
try to make the girl feel cool. Well, I can remember when I tried to play like the guy get money for pocket, but I can
Let's see
remember
what
say
DXY
that
is
get
doing.
shit.
Euro
But I
is
have some
just
like
enjoying
55
its
cents.
life.
Well, Odigo Koya do
Euro
well.
is just enjoying its life.
Again, baby. No, no,
This is what
see,
DXY
you
is doing.
want
It's
to
extremely
try
important
me.
to know
We
what
could
DXY is
go
doing
down.
because that guy can be very interesting.
Baby.
That guy can
I
be
don't
very,
know,
very
see,
interesting.
you want to try the boy. We could come around. Well,
What's up with my
well,
network
with the
now?
help
Come
of my
on.
guy, I hired some chick, yeah, just the roll by her feet,
I
then
hope
I saw
I
my
hope this is not
baby.
affecting my live stream.
That's why, okay, I pulled them on the other side, baby,
My network is really poor.
with my,
Like
until you
really,
go to shop,
really,
yes.
really
Giving
poor.
it, was married to a soldier. Soldier come, soldier go.
DXY,
Soldier,
you need to
I
continue
come
selling,
again,
okay?
baby.
I know you're trying your best.
You want
We
to drive
recognize
me,
you.
we could
We
go
know
down.
that
Hey,
you can do it,
well,
but you need to sell.
along the line, I saw that this fine girl want to lap with daddy, yeah.
Man.
I had to take
So
the fastest
these
route
guys they don't want me
to my
to
place.
eat
I
just
never
this small
wanted to
scalp.
offer. Oh,
Small scalp.
even a camel. Camel. Talk about all the,
These guys are going for my stop
I can't
loss.
remember all the stories.
They
They
want
have
to
to
take my
tell it
stop
that
loss
back
away.
in Katolova. Hey, I sorry.
I've been battling with price, and I and price has been battling for stop loss for a very long time now.
Well, I'll be back now. Well, I have to attend to some
My
issues.
scalp entry stop loss is right there. Okay.
Very
I just
bad.
want a very
Hello, Rosie.
what I
You
want
want to
versus what
try
price is
me?
doing
We
though.
could go
But
down.
what I honestly want is
Oh, hey,
keep on trading above the 21 EMA. If best, keep on breaking the highs of the previous candles. Alright? Set up new lows so I can move my stop loss up a little bit, and we'll continue doing that until maybe we have a very nice trend and we are now in a very good position whereby all we do is win, win, win no matter what. But that's the truth, man. There are levels your stop loss will be at. You know that it's all about win, win, win no matter what.
Baby.
I think the whole essence.
Rosie.
Let me see what Euro
Try
USD is
me. We
doing.
could
I
come
know Euro
down.
USD is the guy that is championing the market right now because this
That
my
was what
British
I was
pound
doing
dude
when I saw it
is
dancing.
just a
But
419, a fraudster.
as long as she fine, well, I had to
British
watch out
pound
my
is
business
trying to be a
she sounds
fraudster
so
right now.
invested. Well, when I asked
We
for
need
her
you to keep
number,
on
she
buying
gave
and
me.
stop
Well,
delaying the
she was,
price.
giving me
See
the
Euro
drive.
USD. Okay, reasonably it's all up and down, up and down.
Well,
Well,
hello, Rosie. You want to try me? We could
I for
go
one
down.
is very interested in what DXY is doing because that's where the whole issue comes from.
Hello, Rosie. You want to try me?
You know,
We
in the
could
Bible they
go
say
down. I'm saying?
humans should guide their heart diligent
Well, day one, day
and
two,
protect
go.
their
When
heart because
body
our
number
hearts are
well,
naturally evil.
she was like,
uh
yeah, I was waiting
If
for
I
your
bring
call,
that in context
why,
of what DXY is
why
doing,
too late to
it's very
call me?
important to
Well,
understand what DXY is
some
doing because
girl,
whatever it does
my
is what will determine
like me,
if you will have a good
I had to go and
if you have
try to
a
make
good
use of
move or
the
not.
flow. Well, I can remember when I tried to play like the guy is
Even if the currency pair you want to trade is showing you all the signs, you have all the signs that it wants to buy, and for some reason you go to DXY and DXY is saying otherwise. Trust me, just forget whatever that your pair is telling you. If DXY tells you otherwise, most times than none, I'm not saying it's always like that, but most times it's always goes the opposite.
with the help of my guy, I had some
Okay, I wouldn't want this live stream to be long. I think we pretty much had the entries we want. If we have questions, maybe we can ask. If not, I would recommend we manage the trade. I think everybody have their stop loss in. So if you took this trade with me, I believe you have your stop loss. I believe you have your TP. Oh, I remember I'm scalping here. Yeah, okay. I think we'll stay for this scalp. So this scalp, if I get like $5 out of this scalp, I'll use it and go and eat issue.
along the line, I saw that this fine girl want to lap with daddy, yeah. Temptation. I had to take the fastest route to my place.
and DXY
Okay,
50 minute
our
jaw.
story
You
begins
see, I don't even need to
with
look at DXY just by looking at this. Immediately I saw that cell coming in. I just had to just have a look, and I knew DXY is the one
well,
behind the scene manipulating it.
I'll be back
Mumbo
now.
jumbo.
I have to attend to some issues right now, so yeah. Hmm, baby. I don't know, see, you want to try me, you could slow down.
You want us to look at any per? Okay, let's look at gold. Okay, gold is still holding on, but I think it's more or less a rangy day for gold. It's been a rangy day on the gold part of life.
Baby. I don't know, see, you want to try me, you could fall down. Baby. I don't know, say, you want to
Wondering,
try me, you
wondering.
could calm down.
Thought
That was what I
I
was
was
thinking
again when
when
I
I saw
was
the
in
dance
yesterday.
yesterday. Okay, I
So
saw
she
she
find
fine
the
though. Well,
one
I
I had
had
to
to
fuck
fuck up
up and
and
introduce
introduce myself.
myself. She
She
sounded
sounded
so
so interested.
interested.
Well, when I asked for her number, she gave me. Well, she
Giving me the
giving me the
green
green
light.
light.
Well,
Well,
all
all
these
these
things
things
happen
happen
for
for
my
my
head.
head.
Okay,
Okay,
lucky
lucky
boy.
baby. Well, I don't know,
Lunacy.
say you want to try
Okay,
me.
DSY
You
is
could
messing up
fall
things
down.
now. I
Hey,
can't do anything about it. The only thing that I'm a bit worried about now is the
baby.
scalp entry that
I
I
don't
wanted
know,
to
say
take
you
there,
want to try
which
me.
is
You could
what
slow down. Check
DXY
this
is
body.
working so hard
Well,
and
you
trying
know
so
one
hard to
day
make
to
sure
go. One day
that I
I
lose
bought the number. Well,
that. And
she
after
was
losing
like,
that, that
yeah,
means we
I'm
now
waiting
have to
for your
wait for
call.
another level of
Why
retracement
you
into the
yet to
abyss
call me?
to
Well,
get a reversal that will take us back up again. I don't know, for some reason DXY is trying to be stubborn, but I know for sure that
I can remember when I tried to call
God
you,
pass him.
the guy get money for pocket, but I can remember say I don't get shit. All I
I
have
know
was
for
my
sure
25 pennies.
God
Well, I
pass you.
still call you, I do well. Well, the tree don't they go. I say again, baby. No, no, see, you want to try
Okay.
me, you could slow down.
Bamu
Hey,
mamu shiki shiki. Oúnjẹ
baby.
go fún mi.
I don't know, see, you want to try the boy, you could come around. Well,
I'm so ready to rumble.
with the help of my guy, yo, I hired some chick girl just the roll by her feet, oh, then I saw my baby. So, okay, I put them on the other side. Baby, slow down. That's the hang boy. That's the dude you were looking for.
Mm.
I presented myself so cool. The
Scalping on
guy,
15-minute time
put
frame
my,
is more or
well,
less.
like he looked
It's
so
not. I don't think it's
sharp.
even scalping because,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah,
you
I
would
was
wait.
married. Was married to a soldier.
God damn it.
Okay, I come again, baby. I don't know, say you want to try me. You could slow down.
The mistake I made is I should have went down to the 1 minute time frame to do that scalp, but it's okay.
Want to laugh at that, yeah.
I can still use the 15 minutes. The only thing is each candle here is 15 minutes and I can't keep on waiting for each 15 minutes just for one candle to close. So what I'm going to do is I'll just leave that stop loss there, and for the TP I will leave it, let it continue to buy. If it's going to buy, let it continue to buy, and maybe I will be aiming for that one stop loss for here.
I'll be back now, bro.
So
I
if
have
price
to
reach
attend to
here,
some issues
I
right
think
now,
that's
so
what I will do.
yeah.
Drag it out.
No,
Here will give me
one to
about two,
try
no?
it. We could go
Let's be
down.
greedy, please.
Oh, have to go.
Let's be greedy.
God,
We are going for that last
shawazo.com.
liquidity there.
Go ahead, well, look at Jackpot.
If it goes well, it goes well. If it stops me out, fine and good. I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to spend much time here. If I'm being honest with you guys, is the price going for my stop loss, or is this some level of trying to scare people away?
I know those you want to
Well,
try
I'm
it.
not scared.
We could fall down.
What's the worst case scenario? They hit my stop loss. I'll go and sleep.
Oh,
Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll feel good.
I know
I can't kill myself,
try
people.
it. We could come
I
down.
can't. I can't come and go and kill
That
myself.
was what I was thinking
Can't come and go and
when I
kill
saw the
myself.
answer yesterday. Well, as soon as she found, well, I had to walk up and introduce myself. Well, she sounded so interested. Well, when I
All
asked
right,
her
who
what
thinks we should still be here? I don't think we should still be here. I think we've gotten what we want.
like, well, all these things happen for my head. Okay,
If you
fast
think we
forward.
still need to be here, I would want to know why. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Else, we can call it a day, guys. I think we've tried for today. We had a call in the morning. Uh, Most of the trade we had in that morning, we are still holding it, right? And we currently have some more entry this afternoon, which we are still holding some of those positions. And yeah, so I'll be updating you guys on the Discord channel. For anybody that took the trade that is not in the Discord channel, I think you already know that you need to be there.
Try to make the girl feel cool. I can remember when I tried to play
You
like
already know
this
that you
and
need
it
to be
didn't
there,
work.
but let's say you don't have Discord or you don't want to download Discord, it's still fine and
So,
good.
well, I had
What you
to work
can
my
do is
crazy fine
you have to
self
keep
and
tab with us
well,
here on the channel, subscribe, turn on the
it's very
notification,
good. I say again,
and make leverage of the comment section to feel free to ask anything you want, clarifications, question, anything about the video. Feel free. I always respond to all my comments.
I know those
Okay.
you want to
With
try it,
that
but
said,
we could come
I
around.
would give another 3 minutes just to be sure that we don't have anything to ask before we close the stream. In the meantime, hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you guys are joining from. Okay, so while we wait, I'm just going to
With my, well,
keep you guys
hope
busy with the rest of the music.
was married to a soldier. Soldier come, soldier go. Okay, I come again, baby. I don't know you want to try me. You can go down. Hey, well, along the line, I saw that this fine girl want to lap with daddy. Temptation. And today, the fastest route to, to my place. Chapa. I remember how bumping to my husband. No. Even in Camo. Camo. Talk about all the. Hey. I can't remember all the story because if I put the boy, that is the give back with the all the time. Hey, hi, sorry. Hi, keep me sorry. Well, I'll be back now. Well, I have to attend to some issues right now, so yeah. Get there being a jacket me now. Baby. You want to try it? Go down. Oh, hey,
Okay, so I think that's that about that. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same station, here on this channel. In the meantime, if you are holding any of the setup, please make sure you manage your trade properly. If you have any question, advice, anything at all you want to share, use the comment section. That's the best thing you can do. And also for you guys that have joined every day, giving us the like, making us feel like we are actually reaching out to people. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, I think I would have to step into the XNS world and manage my entry here. I'm currently holding a scalp trade here, but I'll leave it for price to determine what he wants to do there. So I'm not going to waste further time. Not waste further time. I'm not going to spend further time here. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. We do this every day, Monday to Friday. I keep on saying that. I believe you guys already know. And yeah, morning section, afternoon section. That's basically what we do, and we do it every day, Monday to Friday. New guys, subscribe, turn on notification. Old guys, like the video, share to new people, and if you are taking any trade, no financial advice here. I believe everybody's taking all risk on their own. In the meantime, I'm gonna go do other things, and I would be signing out officially right about now. Okay, let me go and find something to eat. To be honest, I'm so hungry. All right, take care, guys. I love you all that love me. I don't know why that came out, but that's agape love. Don't mind me. All right, do have a wonderful day, guys. Take you. Bye bye for now.